to multiply integers. What I use is multiplication man, or he's also sometimes called division dude. And you can remember his name because M and D and D. This is not for adding and subtracting, it's only for multiplying because he's the man, and for division because he's the dude. All right, let's look at him. So you have 2 negatives for his eyes and a little positive for his mouth. Now make sure you draw it that way and not this way, because if you draw him this way, he looks like a dead guy. So you don't want to draw him like this. You want to make sure that negatives are for the eyes. All right, -3 times -2. You cover up a negative for the -3, cover up a negative for the -2, and left over is a positive. So the answer is +6. -2, cover up the negative, +4, cover up the positive, and left over is a negative. So the answer is -8. And last one, 5 is positive, the 9 is negative, left over is a negative. So the answer is -45. How to tell if a line has a positive, negative, 0, or no slope. Here's the first line. I draw a little man right here, and it looks like the little man is going to climb up a mountain. If you climbed up a mountain, that'd be a great thing. That's a good thing. So it's positive. It's a positive thing to do. And this line goes up. Now, if you put the little man on the left-hand side over here, uh-oh, he's going to fall down. That would be terrible. That would be a negative, bad thing. So this slope has a negative slope. Now right here, if you put the little man right here and he's a snowboarder, he would have 0 fun. Now what I like to do is I like to take that line and draw it down here 2 times. Okay, so I just took that line right here 2 times, and it actually makes a Z for 0. So this has 0 slope. All right, and the last one right here, put the little man up here. This is something my brother would probably do, is jump off a mountain or jump off a little cliff into the water, which is not good to do. But you would want to yell, "No, don't jump into the water, it's dangerous." So this has no slope. Now you take this line, same thing as the 0, put it here, just like the same line, put it another one right there, and it actually makes an N for no slope. How I wish I could calculate pi. We always use 3.14 to calculate pi, but do you know the next few numbers? Let's see. How 3, I, 1, wish 4, I, 1, could has 5 letters, and calculate has 9, pi has 2. And there's the number. 3.14159.